Good morning, class 6. Today we have started chapter number 7, that is a plants, forms and the function. At the last time we have discussed about that different types of the root and the function of the root and some different kinds of a root. Today we have learned about that the stem. Here it is the movement of minerals and water of a plants. It is show that the picture is show that it is a movement of a minerals and a water in a plants. Stems are the stems is the aerial part of the plant, and it is the main supporting part of a shoot system, and it developed from the baby shoot of a baby plant, and main stem is the aerial extension of the underground roots, and it bear buds. A bird may be a terminal bud located at the tip of the main stem, which help the grow of the plant in height and the length, or a bud may be axillary bud and located in the axil of a leaf, which may grow into a branch, and stem grow towards the light and remain in the air. The stems forms the central axis of a plant body and hold the plants upright. Here it is the function of a stem. The stem holds the plants upright, and stems keep the leaves, buds, flower and fruits in the air exposed to the sunlight, and the stem gives support to the plant above the ground, and it is take water and minerals from the root of the plant and travel to leaves through the stem, and food made by the leaves travel through the stem to the all the plants. And the stems, they have carries food prepared in the leaves to the other parts of a plant, and green stems carry out photosynthesis, which is the primary function of the green leaves. Stem may be modified to perform special functions. Some modified stems are storing food. Example are ginger, turmeric, potato, corn. These are modified stems and also help in the multiplication of a plant vegetatively, supporting plants in a climbing with the help of a stem. Tendrils as a grapevine or pumpkins. Twinner have a weak stem which twins around a support. And third one is the synthesizing food. In cactus plant and euphorbia, true leaves are modified into dry non-green spines, and the stem became flat, flashy with mucilage and the green to synthesis food. And some protective plants with the help of spines. Stem spines come out the bud into the axil of a leaf. Example are citrus, dhatura is a commonly grown as a plant, and thorns in it that comes out the axil of a leaf in place of a branch, and a thorn on it bear a bud, which is a stem character. And your next topic, that is the leaf. Here it is the different types of the leaf. Leaf is a flatted, usually broad and green structure coming out from a node on a stem, and a leaf always bear a bud in its axil, and a plant bears a large number of leaves, and the leaves of a different plants are the different shapes and the size. Today I have burned your session here. and we have meet in your next video. And today's question is, write down about stem, write down about the stem and their function of stems. Okay, then thank you class, and we have meet in your next video.